I'll be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always thought that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step foot in them sneaker stores. Like where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks that never would have seen you.
What's up, everybody? It's Big Rob TV, and I'm back with another sneaker video. Alright, another sneaker unboxing. Okay, now this one right here, it's not one that I get to keep. This one does not belong to me. Okay, this one, let me make sure I'm not showing you all my address. This one is from Nike's. This is from the Sneakers app. I won these on the Sneakers app, but I did not win them for myself. I won them so that I could assist my big brother. All right. So I do like this model. This model is one of my favorite Jordan models ever. However, this one is not mine. This does not belong to me. So I will not be able to do an on foot of this pickup. Just showing you this shoe before I send it to my brother. All right. So let's go ahead and get into this. I'm actually a little bit excited to see it. If my brother was able to get a pair of them, dang, box messed up there. If my brother was actually able to get a pair himself, then I would keep this pair. I would definitely keep this pair. But he was unable to hit on sneakers this particular time. So, being the good little brother that I am, I looked out for my big brother here. So, let's go ahead and get into this box. Oh, man. You guys are going to know what it is as soon as I pull it out. And that's exactly what she said. Alright, so. Boom. Alright, that's a nice box. It's a different box. And that is what he said. But anyway, there it is. Nice, different Jordan box there. Boom. What's on this side? Nothing. Nothing on this side. And on, where did I see that? Over here, it says Toro Bravo. Over there. So you all know. You all know what's going on right there. That Toro Bravo. Alright. These are the Air Jordan 5 Retro. Colorway is varsity red, black, and white. US size 14 on these bad boys. Alright, size 14 on these things. Hopefully you all can see that. Alright, so let's go ahead, no delay. Let's go ahead and get into these. But of course, you all know how I do it. Right here on Big Rob TV. Oh man, that's kind of dope right there. I ain't gonna even lie to you. I ain't gonna lie to you. Left shoe first, baby. Woo. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's a dope shoe. That is a dope shoe. That's what these are. Man, can't even lie. I can't lie. That is a dope Jordan 5. Man, I'm gonna look into it. I'm not gonna un-DS your shoe, man. I'm not gonna un-DS your shoe, big bro, but go ahead and look in here. Man. Woo. These are clean, man. These are clean. You got your Air Jordan on the back there. Black inside there. And then on the bottom, let me see if I can show that. without opening it up all the way. On the bottom, on the insole, there is a white Jumpman. White Jumpman, black insole. There it is. You can see it right in there. White Jumpman on the black insole. Alright. On the tongue, that metallic silver with the black Jumpman. The 2-3 and the red with the black outline on the back there. That clear netting. You can see that red behind the netting there. Suede all the way around the sneaker. Man, this is a dope one. I really wish, looking at it right now, I'm really wishing my brother could have got a pair of his own. Really wish he could have got a pair of his own, because these are just too sweet. Definitely too sweet. Black eyelets going all the way down the shoe there. Man, that's nice. Black eyelets again. Let's see what the lace lock is looking like. Clear lace lock with a clear Jumpman here on the side. And then on the actual red part of the lace lock, there's a black Jumpman there. Alright. Did I mention the black Jumpman on the booty? The booty view. Black Jumpman. Alright. Let me tuck the laces back in. Alright. Red laces. Red laces on the shoe. I couldn't imagine a different color. I think it looks great with the red laces. Maybe you could switch it up and do, maybe some black ones, possibly. But with the black eyelets, maybe that's too much black going around. I think the red is the nice hit. Definitely a nice hit with the red. Alright. Black midsole going all around. But what I like about this black midsole is the tips of the shark teeth are red. I like how they did that. White with that red at the top. It almost looks like Jaws bit you and got the blood on you. That's or on his teeth, I should say. Looks like Jaws got you. But the black midsole going all the way around. Got your air unit there. And you got that icy blue bottom, red Jumpman, black Jordan there, but that icy. It's that icy. Do they come with other laces? Let's see the right. No. Not going to pull that one out. It's the exact same shoe. I'm not going to pull that one out. Alright. But, yeah, man. These are an assist. These aren't mine. I don't get to keep these. Before I just opened the box, I wasn't disappointed about that. I was like, I like them. Jordan 5s are in my top 5 Jordan silhouettes. But before I just opened the box, I was cool with that because I'll show you. The main reason I was cool with not getting these is because I have these. Alright, now this is from the What The. This is the What The Jordan 5. Alright, I do have this one. You see? And this has that green on the bottom, kind of the Bel Air insides there. There's a bunch going on this one. I do have this. Let me just go ahead and pull the right one out on this one because these shoes are awesome. Granted, they don't match. You know what I mean? Granted, they don't match. It's yellow and purple and all that. But the left shoe is pretty similar to this one. Alright? At a glance, you're not going to be able to tell much of a difference. If you're just walking by and you see somebody walk by with this and right behind them you're going to see this, you're going to think it's the same shoe. Until you get closer and see, hey, this one's got a whole bunch of other shit going on. And this one is just a black and red. But, yeah, until I opened the box, I was cool because I have these. Alright? Now, that being said, man, this shoe is pretty sweet, man. It is pretty sweet. Man, why couldn't sneakers work for both of us? Like, why couldn't sneakers work for the both of us? We both could have them. Yeah, but this one is one of my brother's must cops of the year. This one ranks on his list pretty high. He's always wanted this shoe, so little brother was able to look out and provide the Stockton to Malone for my big brother. All right. Now, one other thing, he joked me when these were about to come out. He said, "You don't even like the blood cuz shoes, the bloodies." And I said, "Nah, man. You know, I might be interested in those, but you know, blue is my favorite color. My brother's favorite color is red, but." While we're looking at the all red and black, I felt like maybe we should look at the alternate. What if they would have made these the same as this? If they would have put the black midsole here and then put that clear netting there. Pretty much everything else on this shoe is the same as this. It's like they were halfway going to make this shoe the same as this. But then they said, nah, let's switch it up. Let's switch it up last minute. If they would have put the black eyelets here, that clear netting there, in the black midsole, man, it would have been killing it. Would have killed the game. But I'm good with these. I do like these a lot. But anyway, I just wanted to show you all the Toros, the Raging Bulls, the Toro Bravo, whatever you want to call these. I did get them from sneakers, but they do not belong to me. My recommendation for these is if you can get them, definitely get them. If I can come across them, I'm going to get them. If I come across them in a size 14, I'm going to get them for myself because, like I mentioned before, these are just too sweet. But anyway, that's going to do it for this one. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly, truly appreciate it. More content is on the way. And I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace.